Hello, lovelies, and welcome to Truly Tara. And here we do unboxings, some reviews, some rants, this and that and the other. Today I have Klever, and uh, I have a little bit of bad news for those who like the Perfect 365 box. They're going to stop doing it. I got an email yesterday saying that they were sorry that. They were just not going to do it anymore. That was basically it. They said, thank you, and that for the loyalty, they would put some extra stuff in the July box. And then later on in the day, I got an email that it's unsubscribed me from them, and it told me to make sure that I go and unsubscribe. So I did, but I hope that that does not like kick me out of the July box, which I think I've already paid for the July box, so it better not. But I really do hate to see them go. I've been with them for 5 months now. This will be the fifth month, and I was really, really enjoying it. So, that kind of sucks. But Klever, on to Klever. Um, Okay, yeah, let's unbox this. I forgot my little, yeah, let's unbox this. Okay, so first I have O2O Fine Mist Makeup Setting Spray. I don't do a lot of setting sprays. Like, I feel like whenever I do, um, my makeup ends up coming off. So I've just not found one yet that I like. And I've tried Charlotte Tilbury. Um, I've tried quite a few setting sprays. Charlotte Tilbury was probably the best. And the one thing that I will use setting sprays for is I don't do it a lot, but it is a good idea. Like for the shiny colors, you spray your brush and, put it on your lid. So that's pretty packaging. Did I show you? Yeah, that's a pretty bottle. It feels glass. So that's good. Um, we'll go ahead and try it. Not much of a smell. So we'll see how that works. Hopefully it doesn't totally, no, I got it uneven. There we go. Okay. Now I've been paying $7 extra for the mystery gift, and I got the same dang thing that I got last month, and I know that because they put it on the outside of the package. So I'm not sure if I'm going to reach out to customer service or not, but this better not happen 3 times in a row. Like, that's $7, and I don't do my brows, so maybe they're trying to tell me something. I don't know. But I don't see the need to. Like, I might pluck them every now and then, but that's about it. Okay, so next we have the Poudiere lip care. So I mean, that's all that it says, is that it's lip care. So let's see. Is it a balm? Baby pink lip care. Oh, interesting. Well, let's just try it and see. I'll just turn it brown. So, okay. Maybe we should have done, okay. Then we have Hyundaian. I remember the last time I called it Handyman. And I'm actually wearing that today as a base. Dang, I should have. Oh, if I would have known I was getting this, I would have. I don't know if you guys, I'm sure you can go back and look. I got, it looks like, it doesn't even look like a base makeup. Like, it looks like something that you would highlight. Like it just doesn't look like a base. But I put it on and it just, wow, it gave me a really nice glow, and like I look like I have a tan. Um, so that I really, 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 like, I went to put it on just to kind of highlight a little bit, and I just ended up spreading it all, and I wore it to work yesterday, and like it stayed on. So this is good makeup. So if you're wondering, it is. Okay, so there's your little pencil, and here is that's, I mean, that's, I like those colors. I mean, they're light. But that's kind of what I like. Okay, so next, another lip. Wow, okay. Another Poudiere. I guess I'm saying that right. Not my color, but that wasn't in a box or anything. It was just in there. So, yeah. Okay. Here is, I mean, one thing about this box, it's, I think 34. And then if you get the mystery, it's 7. They just started that. So yeah, like I said, like I got the same mystery item twice in a row, and I won't get it again. Like I probably should reach out to customer service and be like, look, is this, something, is this the mystery gift? And like, because I don't want to keep getting it. Okay, so eyeshadow from Doral. Okay, so that's pretty pink. Whoa, kind of got everywhere. It's pretty. I don't know. I mean, I could almost. Oh, it dried really quick, which is probably a good thing. Okay, let's just try. Because it actually does go with my colors that I'm wearing already. Hopefully I don't regret doing that. Okay, so I mean, yeah, it's not something that I would buy. I mean, I don't know. Like I'm looking at it through this. I might look in the mirror and be like, "Oh my gosh, that is absolutely beautiful." And the mirror's not sitting here. So, oh yeah, it is. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, I mean, it's all right. Um, oh yeah, it's pretty. It's pretty. Okay. Ooh, so next I have a brush. Nice. Dude, you gotta love that. I mean, my gosh, there's lots of stuff in this box, and I love getting brushes, man. That's one of my fave things to get in boxes is a brush. Oh, that is in there. Okay. Okay, so while I'm trying to pull this out, like, subscribe, comment. Make sure that you're doing that. That will help get me up into the algorithm. Look at that. I think I don't have one like this, but I have this, I have a similar, it's not double-ended, but it's that same, and that is an excellent brush. Like I use it here for, blush or gosh, wow. Okay. So that's good. Those are good brushes. I know this comes from overseas. I think that it comes from China. Um, Not 100% sure, but you know, it's good stuff. Like the makeup is okay. Miss Rose face palettes. So does that mean blush? Ooh, ooh, pretty. Darn it. Oh, I'm sorry about the glare. Okay, there we go. Oh, there. Those are some very pretty blushes. I have so many blushes. I hate to even. Oh, okay. So there's 3 eyeshadows, a highlighter, a bronzer, and 2 blushes. Okay. I think that I will keep this um, and try that out and see if I mean, I love to have matchy-matchy, but 90% of the time I have like 15 different things going on my face. Okay, now last but not least, I have a silicone beauty roller. I think that I've seen this maybe on Temu or one of those sites. I always almost order, but then I never do because okay, so yeah, okay. So you've got eyebrow shaping. You have, hang on, lip liner. Sorry, okay. So now this is cool. So, okay, let me get this right so I don't make a fool out of myself. Okay, for your waterline, your lower, your lower waterline, and then your outer, oh, okay, your outer corner, which I think that this is going to be quite helpful. I had been using tape, and the tape does help, but it's always like I'm trying to find it, and so I try to order the patches, but I don't. It seems like I can never find the darn things. Even whenever I go to the store and look, I can never find them. So, yeah. All right, well, that's it. That was a great box. I got everything from, I mean, you could call this skincare, to a brush, to a full-on palette, blush and all, a bunch of lip stuff, and a liquid eyeshadow, and like 2 tools in one box. That's cool. So I'm very, very happy with this box. Yeah, if you're thinking of ordering from them, do it, do it, do it. And I forgot, gosh, I'm sorry. In my last video, I forgot to mention, with Truly, I have finally been getting sales and I'm so happy. And I don't know if it's you guys. I know that Dawn told me that she ordered from Truly. Um, that has helped me out so much. I got a really pretty good commission from them, which was immediately taken. But that really did help. I mean, even though like it got gone quickly, it helped me a lot. Because I mean, that's just, I mean, I had my phone bill, and I was talking about this in the last video, so you guys are probably like, what is she talking about? Like the beginning of the month, all my boxes, everything got taken out at the first, like my phone bill plus like 75% of my boxes, everything. So as soon as my check went on, it was just like that night, everything, got, like, I woke up the next morning and just like my account was wiped. So for my winner, Dawn, who yin and yang, like she ordered for me and she won my contest. So how that just goes to show, like, if you support, and it comes back on you. It really does. And I mean, that contest, like that, I that's why I bought that app, so you guys could see that it was truly fair. Okay, so as per usual, I start ranting, or not ranting, but I'm not ranting. I start talking about. So I'm going to shut up now. That's just how I'm going to just start ending my videos with. I'm going to shut up now, because that's 90% of the time. That's what I say anyway. So I'm going to shut up now. Like, subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell. I will see you guys in the next. Bye.